Asus has made a name for itself in the gaming phone space, but its previous offerings had some shortcomings that held it back from appealing to a wider audience. Well, after the announcement of it at CES 2024, we're happy to share that Asus seems to have fixed many of the pain points with this latest generation. While keeping the core gaming focus intact, the ROG Phone 8 Pro brings thoughtful improvements that make this Asus's most compelling gaming phone yet. Design. Let's start with the design, which sees a radical change compared to the flashy and over-the-top styling of the ROG Phone 7. The new ROG Phone 8 Pro is clad in subtle black or white color options, with a metal frame and frosted glass back. The aggressive gamer aesthetics have been toned down significantly. While hardcore mobile gamers may miss the loud styling, we appreciate this more refined and mature design direction. It retains a bit of gaming flair with the customizable anime matrix LED panel on the back, but otherwise looks like a premium flagship phone. This helps widen its appeal beyond just the gaming crowd. The phone is also now lighter at 225 grams, making it much easier to handle than its chunky predecessor. The bezels have shrunk too, thanks to the hole-punch selfie camera. Despite the slimmer profile, the ROG Phone 8 Pro incredibly carries an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Performance. One area where previous ROG phones faltered was the camera quality. Asus seems determined to change that perception with the ROG Phone 8 Pro. The phone packs some major camera hardware upgrades. The highlight is the new 32 megapixels telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. This should help you capture distant objects without losing detail, something sorely missing from prior ROG phones. The 50MP main camera is mostly unchanged but now comes with improved stabilization via a 6-axis gimbal. There's also a 13MP ultra-wide camera to round out the rear triple camera array. It indicates that Asus is taking mobile photography seriously this time around. And, of course, blistering fast performance has never been an issue with ROG phones. And the trend continues with the ROG Phone 8 Pro. It's amongst the first phones powered by the Snapdragon 8 General 3 chip, which is expected to be Qualcomm's most powerful mobile chip yet. The enhanced cooling system and bundled Aero Active Cooler X accessory should keep thermals in check too. We're also happy to see Asus retaining gaming-centric features like the air triggers, dual USB-C ports for uninterrupted charging, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. The 165Hz 6.78-inch AMOLED display with up to 2000 nits peak brightness seems fantastic as well. Frankly, the hardware here seems overqualified for even the most demanding mobile games. Features. Besides the hardware upgrades, Asus seems to have refined the software experience too. We noticed small but welcome changes like faster fingerprint unlocking, improved haptic feedback, and an overhauled Armoury Crate gaming dashboard. The move to Android 14 also enables some AI-powered software enhancements. Things like AI-based noise cancellation on calls, smarter launcher searching, and wallpaper generation add a bit more sheen to the user experience. While not exclusive to the ROG Phone 8 Pro, these refinements help make it feel more polished as an overall smartphone. Final thoughts. It's clear Asus took user feedback seriously and addressed some of the biggest complaints around its previous gaming phones. The more mature design, upgraded cameras, and general refinements make the ROG Phone 8 Pro far more than just a spec monster for gaming. Of course, we need to spend more time testing the phone fully before delivering any final verdict. But overall, the first impressions of the ROG Phone 8 Pro are looking very positive. Asus seems to have found a good balance between gaming prowess and smartphone fundamentals with this one. The ROG Phone 8 Pro shapes up as an intriguing option not just for mobile gamers but also for regular users who want a powerful flagship phone. The gap between a dedicated gaming phone and traditional flagships appears to be narrower than ever, and that's great news for consumers. At $1,199, Asus may have a mainstream hit on its hands if the ROG Phone 8 Pro delivers on its promising potential. Thanks for watching.